So well friends, here in this area, we have done some classes in Assamese. And this is the first class which is being, well prepared in English, because when I started to take class in Assamese, then some of you have suggested me to continue the same classes in English, and that's why I have planned that way, so that the students whose medium is English, they can also get all necessary information here in this area. This unit is very much important for all categories of students from higher secondary to postgraduate level. And here today's class is conceptual class. This is the first class, and here we are to discuss about the concept of statistics, which is very much important for the students of education and psychology too. Participant friends, statistics, as you know, is a set of tools for summarizing and describing a set of data. You know the term data so much well. Once you are to define the term data, which is very much important in MPhil course also, it means that data is the piece of information relating to something. Once you see your biodata, it means what is your name, what is the name of your father, what is the name of your mother, what is your address. All these are your biodata relating to your personal concern as well as your identity. And data, this term has special importance in the field of statistics. And in today's globalized social order, data is such a term which has special importance in all steps of our life. And in the field of statistics, this term, occupies very significant place. We can define statistics as that branch of mathematical science which deals with the classification and frequency of occurrences of different kinds of things as a basis for description and inference. The issue of description has special concern, particularly concern to us, means the people of social sciences. But the issue of inference has special importance or significance for all the people, all the learners who are in the field of science, because in the field of science, forecasting, going beyond is very much important. Saying beyond is very much important. In scientific research also, the researchers say beyond the present, but in our area we simply describe the situation. We do not say what will happen. We simply explain the situational status, and we put our views there as findings of research. But in the field of science, inference or forecasting or saying about the future has special significance. And both these two activities are performed with the help of statistics. And that's why statistics has special importance for all categories of students, for all of us. Let us see the next one. To a layman, to an ordinary man, statistics implies a large number of figures or a collection of data like the publications of annual returns in case of tax, census reports just to know population, economic status, social status, family status, records of school just to know the information relating to school data, college principals just to know the status of principals or numbers of principals, etc. Modern sciences widely utilize statistical methods for the analysis and interpretation of data, which has special significance for inferencing, for saying beyond for saying or for forecasting for the future. Let us see the next one. The word statistics has been derived from the Latin word. From the Latin word, means the word is Latin, that is status, or the word statista of the Italian language. Status is Latin, or the word, that is second one is statista. This is Italian. Two words we see once we try to understand the origin of the term statistics. One is Latin, that is status. Another is Italian, that is statista. Both these words mean political status. Once we see, just to mean the political status of the nations. In the past or in olden days, in ancient times, the word statistics was used to mean the political situation of the state. For example, population, birth rate and death rate under the income and expenditure status of the states or the nations. And that's why once we try to understand the origin of the term, we must have to go back to Latin origin status, and thenceforth again we are to go to the Italian origin, that is statista. Let us see the next one. In statistics, the data is collected, classified and analyzed with a definite purpose. How to classify, how to analyze, all these are to be discussed in later stage. But what is done in statistics? The data is collected, we collect data, we classify data, and then we analyze data so that we can find the meaning. Sometimes we pass judgment on the observations and remark that they are in the normal range or are usually high or low. Means depending on observation we say about something. Sometimes we do not depend on statistics. We often talk of an average price of some commodity or price range in which it is available. Say, as for example, the price of petroleum products. We say as an average without depending on statistics, without analyzing data, we simply observing the situation, we say so many, we pass so many comments. Let us see the next one. We use phrases like average student in a class when we are to study about the intelligence or the performance capabilities of the students. We pass judgment that way. Pass percentage in the results of examination. Now how the result government will declare? Depending on the percentage of HSLC examination or percentage in school examination. Thenceforth another formula is there, 40% and 10%, that is of examination on the range of marks in a given subject. In all these we are using statistical concepts. When we do all these things, we are bound to depend on statistical concepts. Even though they may be in a very rudimentary or elementary in a sense or crude form, though not in absolute resource form. Anyway, the descriptions of data in terms of members are known as statistics. Statistics means what is? The descriptions of data in terms of numbers are known as statistics. This should be members, no numbers. Anyway, the descriptions of data in terms of numbers are known as statistics. This should be numbers, in a sense, not members. Let us see the next one. Statistics is a branch of science which deals with collection, we are to collect, analysis, we are to analyze, and interpretation. Interpretation depends on analysis, and both analysis and interpretation depends on collection of data obtained by conducting a survey or an experimental study. We simply, depending on survey or going to laboratory, we collect data, and thenceforth we analyze, and thenceforth we interpret the result and we report the result. This is the way. And for all these, means just to go to the last point of result, we are to collect the data, analyze the data, interpret the data, depending on various statistical measures. The purpose of statistics is to provide a methodology for classification and describing the properties of data, meaning of data for finding out in a summary form. Means huge data are tabulated just to give, means in concise level, in concrete level. Data we do collect depending on survey or going to the laboratory, we squeeze the data and take the meaning. It provides the techniques and rules for drawing valid inferences from the data. Means we study the whole and say about the small. We study sample, say about the whole. As for example, just to find out the quality of a bag full of rice in a sense, you needn't to check the bag full of rice, say 1 quintal 25 kilogram bag of rice one by one. If you are to do this, you are to spend your lifetime in a sense. Then what you do? You take a little bit, a sample, small part from the whole, and you study the small part and say about the bag full of rice. If the small part means the sample which is taken from the bag, if the quality is fine, then you say that the quality of the bag full of rice is very much good. So we collect a big number of data, huge number of data, and thenceforth by depending on analysis and depending on the process of interpretation, we report the result of our research finding. And that's why this way statistics has special importance in the field of research and even in our ordinary life situation also. In each of the steps, statistics play special important role. So thank you so much. You study all these are basic explanations. Because for understanding about the statistical measures means the problems how you are to solve, you are to understand the contents part so much well. And once you understand the content part so much well, then you see solving the statistical problem will not be a question for you. It will be very much easy for you once you know the content part so much well. And this part, understanding of content part concerning to the understanding of, you see, solving the statistical problem has special importance. Thank you so much.